Hey beautiful friends, welcome back to another episode of Sisters Me. Today my mom and I are going to show you how to do a Dutch braid.
Okay, so first thing you're going to do is spritz the hair a little bit just so you can get all the knots out and get all your tangles out. Brush it down with the brush. So what you do is you get some hair at the top of the head and you're going to split that into 3 equal parts. So this is the critical part in a Dutch braid. In the French braid, you take your outside strand and you put it over your middle strand. So it goes over the middle strand because this is your middle strand here. You take the outside strand, you put it over. In the Dutch braid, you're going to take the outside strand and you're going to go loop it under. Since I'm right-handed, I usually start with the right strand and I put that underneath the middle strand. So I'm going to go underneath the middle strand and hold it. And now my outside strand that was on the outside and I just looped it under has now become my middle strand. And my middle strand is now on the outside. Now I'm going to take the other strand that's on the outside and loop it under my new middle strand, just like that. So that's pretty much the basics of a Dutch braid, is to understand that you have to go under. So now this is my outside strand. I'm going to loop it under my middle strand. And then be sure to pull your braid a little tight so it's not so loose, but not too tight because you don't want to hurt this cute little head right here. And then you're going to add in some hair from the sides. And then the hair that you add in is also going to go under. So you're going to add that in with the strand that you just put under the middle strand. So this is the top strand now. I'm going to loop it under the middle strand and I'm going to go grab some extra hair from the side. I'm going to brush it first so it's not so tangly. I'm going to grab some extra hair and then I'm going to loop it. I'm going to add it to the strand that I just put underneath. Brush it down so we don't have these bumps. Just like that. And just remember to try to hold onto your braid so it's nice and tight. And then now this is the outside strand that's on top. That's going to go underneath the middle strand. You can use your thumb to press down on your braid so it keeps a nice tight hold on it. Brush your side hair and then add in some hair to the bottom. Take that top strand that's sitting on top, which is now the outside strand, put it underneath, hold it down, and bring in some hair from the side to add it in. There you go, bring it together. If it's loose, pull it tight. If it's kind of knotty or bumpy, just brush it down gently and hold it tight and pull through. So all you have to remember about Dutch braid is that you just have to make sure you go under and not over. And that's pretty much it. And you just continue all the way down. Once you get to the bottom, you can keep going, or you can stop it wherever you want your braid to stop. Make sure you have a hair tie laying right next to you, right close by, so you're not looking for one. See how this French braid is nice and tight? It's sticking out. Looks so cute, doesn't it? What you can do is you could also pull it a little bit, kind of loosen it up a little bit so that your braid looks extra nice and thick. So you can make it a little bit loose, pull it, just like that, gently. And now you have a nice thick Dutch braid. And we're going to add a little flower to the bottom so it's extra cute. There you go. There is your easy tutorial of a Dutch braid. Hope you guys like it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, be kind to others and make a new friend. Bye-bye. See you next time.